Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some super easy and delicious chicken enmoladas. In case you guys want to know how to make this recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, we're going to begin by bringing 4 quarts of water to a boil. So I have it set on medium-high heat, and once our water is ready, we're going to be adding salt, half of an onion, 6 garlic cloves, and 2 pounds of chicken breast. Okay, so we're just going to wait and bring it to a boil again. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to remove all of the impurities from our chicken. Okay, so once we've done that, we're going to reduce the heat to medium, cover it, and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes, our chicken is done. So we're just going to remove our chicken, and we're going to reserve 8 cups of the broth. That's what we're going to be using for our sauce. And we're just going to allow our chicken to cool down, and meanwhile we can make our sauce. Okay, to our 6 cups of reserved broth, we're going to be adding half a tablet of Mexican chocolate. We're just going to allow it to dissolve. In our small frying pan, we're going to be adding oil. Have it set on medium-low heat and allow it to heat up. Okay, once hot, we're going to be frying half of an onion. So just break it down and just fry it until transparent. Okay, so once our onions are done, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup. Okay, so next we're going to be frying 1 tomato. Make sure that you face it down, along with 2 garlic cloves. Now we're just going to allow our tomatoes to soften. And just fry the garlic cloves. Okay, so once our tomatoes are ready, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup, along with the garlic. Make sure that you don't squeeze them. Okay, now we're going to be frying 15 saltine crackers or Ritz. And if you need more oil, make sure that you add it. So just give it a few seconds on each side. And this is just going to thicken up the sauce. Okay, so transfer them once ready, transfer them to the blender cup as well. And just repeat the process to the rest of the crackers. After frying the 15 crackers, we're going to be frying 8 guajillo or New Mexico chile pods. Make sure that you clean them and remove the seeds. And just lightly fry them. And if you need more oil, make sure that you add it. Okay, so the chile is going to get soft, and we're just going to transfer it to the broth and repeat the process to the rest of our chiles. Get soft very quick. Don't burn them, or they will make your sauce bitter. Okay, so once we have fried all of our chiles, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup, along with all of the broth. So just be very careful. And make sure that you get the chocolate. So now we can get ready to blend. Okay, to a blender cup, we're also going to be adding half a teaspoon of ground cumin and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, so now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, we're also going to be adding 1 cup of mole, Doña Maria. Just make sure that you break it down and add it into the mixture. Okay. And we're just going to continue blending. Okay, and once done, we're going to return it back to our pot. Okay, so over medium-low heat, we're going to carefully pour our sauce. And you can add more broth to your blender, but for me this is perfect. So we're just going to be stirring until our sauce thickens up. So just make sure that you don't stop moving it. Okay, so once our sauce has come to a simmer, make sure that you taste it for salt. Adjust it if needed. Now, if you want your mole to be on the sweeter side, make sure that you add the whole tablet. But now we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Continue mixing for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our sauce is done. So we're just going to set it to the side, and now we can get ready to shred our chicken. Okay, so just shred the chicken. And while you shred the chicken, you can also put in your oil for the tortillas. So by the time we're done, it can be nice and hot. Okay, so once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, now we can get ready to lightly fry our tortillas. Okay, so we're going to dip our tortilla in the oil, and we're just going to lightly fry it for about 5 to 10 seconds or until a tortilla begins to blister. Okay, so once you begin to see the bubbles, it is ready. So we're going to remove it from the oil and repeat the process to the rest of our corn tortillas. So once our tortillas are ready, now we can get ready for the fun part. So my serving plate, I added mole sauce. Now we're going to grab our tortilla, grab our chicken, and I'm also going to be adding queso fresco along with onion. I'm just going to roll it, place it on top of the sauce, and repeat it 3 more times. Once we have our enmoladas, we're just going to top it with more mole sauce. Just make sure that you cover them. Okay. And to garnish, I'm going to be topping it with some crema mexicana. Queso fresco. Some purple onion. And to add some color, some cilantro. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy our delicious enmoladas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that we love mole, and making enmoladas is honestly super easy to make. I hope you give them a try and enjoy it just as much. And like I mentioned, if you like your mole to be on the sweeter side, then just add the whole tablet of chocolate and add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Me personally, I like my mole to be sweet on the spicy side. So for me, this is just perfect. So I am so ready. And this is just everything in one. And of course, you want to enjoy them as soon as you serve them. So cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious enmoladas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.